Hi everyone, Nigel Saunders here. Well, the high snow levels this year have allowed the rabbits to get high up in the fruit trees, and they've just decimated the trees. So these are the ones planted out front of the local community food center. And yeah, they're really bad. They're totally ringed right up high. This one, you can see the spiral wrap comes up and then they've just ringed above it. This one's really bad. Yeah, just total devastation. It's really sad to see because these produce really good fruit on them and they look beautiful in spring and flower. This tree might survive, but who knows what's hidden underneath the snow there. Yeah, it's too bad. These were mature trees too. So I'm really worried about the trees out at the orchard. So I'm going to walk over there next and have a look at those and see what they look like. I'm out here now at the community orchard. I'm almost afraid to have a look at the trees, but let's start with the ones near the community garden here. I can definitely see some nibbles on them. Luckily the snow is fairly hard. I can walk on top of it without sinking to my knees. So the first tree, you can see there's a branch pretty damaged, but the basic tree looks okay. Just a little bit of damage so far on it. The second tree also looks okay. A little bit of nibbles at the bottom of that branch, but not bad. The third tree here, however, looks terrible. It is totally devastated. It's stripped of all its bark right down. Yeah, that one's no good. I don't know what happened to the color on this one, but it's gone, that one. The other tree out there looks okay. It's wrapped up nicely. So let's check out the trees in the community orchard now. The three peach trees alongside the garden here look okay. No damage to those. So the first tree here, I think it was a plum tree. It's pretty badly damaged. You can see the rabbits have even taken off the protective plastic. Yeah, that might be a goner, that one. Let's keep looking here. Those ones look okay. This one doesn't look good. Oh dear. You can tell the trees that are damaged, there's rabbit droppings all around them. And that one looks like a total goner too. They've chewed right underneath the plastic. That's too bad. These ones over here looks to be just minor damage. This one, it's got some pretty big chew marks, but it looks like it might survive that one. Again, so far, winter is not over. Here's another tree over here that's pretty bad. Again, it's just branches, so that one should survive. This one's not looking good. You can see the protective wrap didn't really protect it that well. And that one's not looking good. What else do we have? Oh dear. That one's not looking so good either. It's ringed right around. There's a narrow strip holding it together, but not good. This one over here, that's pretty bad. Yeah, that one might be a goner too. This one, oh my goodness. Yeah, that one's pretty bad. Yeah. mean, there's a chance of survival, but not much. This one just has some bite marks on it. It looks okay. There's one out here. That's a goner too. Oh, yeah, that one's gone. Oh, it's not looking good. So far, I'd say only about half the trees have survived. This one looks okay. Some bite marks on it. This one might survive, but it looks pretty bad. This tree's okay. Well, let's check the ones along the fence row here. I can see one that's devastated. Yeah, the snow was just so high this year. So this one, it's lost a lot of branches, but the trunk line looks intact to the upper structure, so that one's okay. This one's not good. Yeah, it's pretty bad, that one. Hi, doggy. This one's got a lot of damage, but I think that'll survive. This one has a few bite marks, but it's pretty good. This one doesn't look good. Yeah, that one's a total goner. Yeah, that one's gone. These two look okay. Let's go down the row here. That one's fine. Whatever that one was, it's gone. This one has a lot of damage, but I think it's okay. The trunk line's intact. Just lose those lower branches probably. Cherry tree here is fine. This tree's fine. This one doesn't look so good. The cedars all look okay. No bite marks in those. Rabbits sure like the fruit trees though. Yeah, this one you can see the plastic is off the trunk and it's chewed pretty bad, but I think it'll survive. High bush cranberry, that looks fine. The next one down, it's more of a bush than a tree. I'm not sure what it was. There's a lot of damage at the base of that one too. And that completes the tour. Yeah, that's a lot of devastation. I'd say about half the fruit trees are gone. That's too bad. That's a lot of work down the drain. However, we'll see what survives in spring. And some of them might sucker up from the trunk and we'll create new trees out of them, but some are just gone totally. Yeah, so that's the update of the community orchard this year. That's not a good update. I think in future years we'll have to make the lower branches higher on these trees and wrap them up better and higher. Yeah, I just hope we don't get, the huge amount of snow that we got this year. This was kind of an unusual year. We've gotten a lot of snow, and all the snow has stayed right throughout the whole winter, so it's really built up. And there's not much else for the rabbits to eat. There's no grass. So they come out here and eat the trees. Alright, so that's it for today. An update to the community orchard. All the fruit trees. I'm Nigel Saunders. Thanks for joining me in the Bonsai Zone.